So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix TikTok message not sent. And in the case that you did send someone a message here on TikTok and it's not sent, just as the way mine is being written here, all we have to do is through OBAG. There we're going to tap on our profile here. Then we are going to tap on the three dots, since the problem might be that it's a privacy settings, and you're just going to follow the guide that I'm going to get you here. So as you can see, I'd already tapped on settings and privacy. So from here, we are going to tap on privacy. So I'm going to tap on direct messages, and then I have direct messages from Louis Daniela. Choose home friends, suggested friends, or everyone. So I can choose to put everyone, connect to the message me, and maybe for the case that you aren't able to send any messages, it's because you have either set it on no one, and once you change from no one through friends or suggested friends, even everyone, you're going to be able to send and receive messages. And thank you guys for watching this speaking. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.